Conrad is a luxury chain of Hilton hotels which has 19 brands with over 6,400 hotels and resorts in more than 119 countries. Conrad Bengaluru is the second Conrad in the country after Conrad Pune and one of only 39 Conrad hotels in the world. The hotel is located in the heart of Bengaluru at the edge of MG Road, with the airport being 36 kilometers away, and the nearest tech park, RMZ Millennia, is just a 5 minutes drive from the hotel. We have the Alsur Lake right across from the hotel. 1MG Mall is about 100 meters walk up the road, and the famous Cubbon Park is about 3 kilometers away. The hotel is surrounded with an 8 to 14 feet boundary wall, and there is CCTV surveillance of the hotel periphery. Solid and heavy metal motorized gates are present at all 3 entries and exits of the building, and we have K4 non-crash rated bollards. Trained security personnel are deployed 24/7 to inspect the vehicles entering the hotel. Under-vehicle searching system screens the underneath of the vehicles. The vehicle registration number and the driver image are also captured. At the entrances, we have pole detectors, door frame metal detectors, handheld metal detectors. Due diligence checks are done for all hotel team members as well. Welcome to Conrad Bengaluru. Conrad Hotelge Suswagata. At the entrance, we have a touch-free sensor faucet sanitization station installed at the main porch. We also have guest temperature screening on arrival. A disinfectant spray is used to sanitize guest baggage.
Welcome to Conrad Bengaluru. Allow me to take you to the reception, please. This way. Our reception is equipped with 5 check-in counters. However, we have a dedicated counter towards the end of the reception. This is the lounge and the waiting area for you, and it can be utilized for midnight arrivals.
Join us as we take you across to the rooms. Our Hilton Honors loyalty program has over 100 million members with different tiers from member, silver, gold and diamond. The Hilton Clean Stay program ensures extra disinfection of top 10 high-touch areas in guest rooms, including light switches and door handles. Conrad Bengaluru is the tallest hotel in South India at 24 floors and a helipad. Our elevators are all on UPS, so in case of a power fluctuation, the lifts do not halt. And the Hilton Clean Stay room seal indicates that the guest rooms have not been accessed since they were sanitized. This is the Master Touch panel, which has all the controls at your fingertips, including Do Not Disturb, Make Your Room and lights. The motorized curtains and mood lights too can be controlled by this panel. The room is equipped with blackout curtains, and all 285 rooms and suites have picturesque views of the iconic Alsur Lake. With an in-house bottling plant, we are able to provide water that is 3 times healthier than packaged water and reduces carbon footprint by close to 30%. The iron and ironing board is housed in the wardrobe along with an electronic safe which can accommodate a 15-inch laptop. Laundry services are also available 24/7. The standard temperature in the room is maintained at 22 degrees Celsius. However, you can increase or decrease the temperature from this panel. We have a 5-fixture washroom with a soak tub to relax yourself. We also have an in-mirror television with a waterproof remote control and a separate water closet and rain shower cubicles. Each floor has 2 fire exits. On my left is the nearest fire exit to this room. the other exit being towards the other side of the floor.
So you have the fire shutters on each floor to contain the fire in case of an emergency.
Welcome to our wellness floor at level 3. We have our salon, 24-hour fitness center, the Conrad Spa, and we also have Ti Amo, which is our Mediterranean restaurant, and our poolside. The fitness center at the hotel is operational 24 hours and is accessible by key card access. It is equipped with state-of-the-art fitness equipment from Life Fitness. We have a free weight section with weights weighing from 2 kgs to 36 kgs. All the cardio machines are connected to Wi-Fi, enabling you to choose whatever you want to watch or listen to. Fitness instructors are present from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Refresh your style with a manicure, pedicure, blow dry or hair spa at our salon. Our Conrad Spa specializes in adaptogenic treatments for the mind and body balance and uses ELA, a revolutionary highly potent range of organic wellness products with gold dust. Our relaxation lounge is for guests to relax and rehydrate post-treatment with herbal tea and raisins. The Conrad Spa has 6 treatment rooms, which includes a couple's suite. All our treatment rooms are equipped with private shower cubicles. You can choose from massages, body wraps, and nourishing facials. The spa has been featured in the Best Spas of the Country 2019 by Travel + Leisure. Relax and rejuvenate your body with a steam or sauna. This, coupled with a refreshing ice bath, is a one-of-a-kind experience. We have a dedicated banquet entrance and our banquet floor is accessible by escalator. Our meeting and event facilities is the largest in the Central Business District, spanning over 17,000 square feet, which includes a grand ballroom of 7,555 square feet and 9 breakout venues. The banquet venues are all located on the same floor, which is an added advantage. Ti Amo is our specialty Italian and Mediterranean restaurant open for lunch and dinner. This dining venue is a favorite among our guests for its alfresco dining by the poolside with panoramic views of the Al Sur Lake, a wood fire oven serving delicious pizza, while you may choose the cabanas or the sunken lounge for evening dinners or drinks. Ti Amo has been awarded the Best Rooftop Bar 2019 by Travel + Leisure, and it's perfect for unwinding at any time of the day. At our lobby level, we have 4 trendy food and beverage dining venues. We have the Indian Darbar, the Lobby Brew, Caraway Kitchen, and Mikusu, offering a blend of different world cuisines with local specialties. Mikusu means mix in Japanese and serves a culinary blend of Japanese, Chinese, and Thai dishes. We have 2 interactive kitchens, a sushi and sashimi bar, and a robotyaki station. Our dishes may be paired with a curated range of exquisite sake and exotic Asian cocktails. Mikusu has been awarded the Best Asian Cuisine Restaurant by Travel + Leisure. The Lobby Brew is open round the clock, and we have an extravagant selection of cakes, pastries, breads, and short eats. It's the perfect setting whether you're starting your day with a double espresso or toasting over evening cocktails. Our extensive beverage menu is complemented by our tapas and finger foods. We serve the best coffee in town. It's 100% Arabica coffee. The world is on a platter at Caraway Kitchen, our all-day dining restaurant, taking you on a culinary journey from Asia to the Americas, with 4 live open kitchens and market-style food displays. Choose from our continental, Asian, and Indian sections and savor our street-style charts. The venue is open for buffet breakfast with an extensive buffet. It also features a buffet for lunch and dinner and a scrumptious Sunday brunch on the weekend. We follow all the hygiene and safety norms concerning COVID in line with the WHO guidelines. Our kitchens are sanitized after every meal period and food is carefully maintained at the required temperatures. At Indian Darbar, we give you a true taste of the royal kitchens across India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Accentuated by traditional gold-leafed jali work in a regal setting, Indian Darbar will transport you to an era of old-world charm and nostalgia. awarded the Best Indian Restaurant by Easy Diner Foodie Awards.
Hi, at Conrad Bengaluru, we are ISO 22000-2018 certified for food safety management system, an international standard for food safety and hygiene. Here at Conrad, we follow all the hygiene protocols, starting from the receiving till it goes to the guest table. Apart from that, we do a lot of food sampling, water testing, the hand swabs of all the food handlers, and a lot of trainings that goes into daily procedures and protocols for food safety and hygiene. Once the perishable enters the receiving area, it is thoroughly checked by the receiving chef, by myself and the receiving personnel for all the quality standards. We do the wedge washing using chlorine solution, wherein all the contamination is stopped at the wedge wash area, and it goes to separate section for storage. Where for the vegetable we have a separate section, and for the meat we have a separate section for butchery and commissary.
For each pickup and drop, our cars are disinfected at every touch point with Oxiver. Our chauffeurs are always wearing their masks, and temperature checks are done when they arrive for duty. Hand sanitizers, masks, wet wipes and water bottles are placed in the car for your convenience.